Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2021 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe Z51 3LT in rapid blue on adrenaline red and black interior. So I'll start over at the rear. Got the trunk lid lifted here so you can see in the back. So this one has the clear or transparent glass roof. So it has a black appearance from the back, and from the inside looking up, it has a blue tinted tone to it. So very nice. Here's the motor in the new Corvette. It is a V8 6.2 liter, 495 horsepower paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. So this one has the engine dress-up kit with the carbon fiber pieces here on the side. Looks great. And we'll go ahead, we'll close the lid. It does have soft close, so I'll just simply press and it will pull itself shut. We've got the carbon flash metallic badge package, carbon flash around the exterior of the window, and we do have a rear view mirror camera, which is just placed right up here. So your mirror can either be a camera or a mirror. So I'll step back. We've got the nice color match Z51 style spoiler. We've got the carbon flash Corvette logo here on the back, and we have a reverse camera just above the license plate. It does have rear parking sensors built into the bumper. We've got nice LED tail lights, and we've got the performance exhaust. So there's 2 ports here and 2 ports on this side, and they do have dampers on them that are electronically controlled to make the exhaust louder or quieter based on your setting. So shift around. Here's your rear wheel. It's got the nice silver wheels. We've got the red Z51 painted calipers and the nice Michelin tires. Move over to the passenger door. We've got the nice red baseball stitching. We've got the BOSE Performance Series stereo. We've got the carbon fiber inlay around the window switch, power locks, power door release, and 2-user programmable memory with a programmable exit button. So I'll show you the kick plate. The kick plate still has the protective cover from the factory on it. It's in great shape. Here's your seat options. So we've got power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustment. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat. These are the competition seats. So very nice seat. It's got leather and another acrylic type fabric here on the side, mixed in with the leather in the center. We've got the carbon fiber inlay and the embossed Corvette logo at the top. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy. And we'll check out the glove box. So in the glove box, we have the books. It's got the adrenaline red on the lower portion of the dash, black on the upper with the red stitch. Very, very nice touch. Looks great. We've got Alcantara suede up the A-pillars. Awesome. So let's hop out and we'll close this side up. We've got the carbon flash mirror arm there with the rapid blue housings, and we've got the BLIS or blind spot monitor sensor there in the mirror. So I'll just step to the back of the vehicle. We'll move along this side of the car so you can see the condition. And I'll just stop here at the front wheel. So again, we've got the nice silver wheels, red painted Z51 calipers, and nice Michelin tires. So we'll move around to the front. Here's your front trunk. There's your washer fluid top up, nice size storage space. We've got the 12-volt socket there. So we'll go ahead, we'll close this. And here it is from the front. You've got your nice black housing, LED headlights, LED daytime running lights. We've got carbon flash accents in the front, down low. We've got the front curb view camera, so there's one there and there's one over there, so it'll let you know when you're getting close to something in the front. I'll just show you the front plastic piece. Looks good. And we'll have a close look here at the hood and just see if there's anything to point out. Looks fantastic. I don't see anything to point out, so that's great. So we'll move on. There's your other front wheels. So again, nice silver wheels, Z51 style red calipers, nice Michelin tires, and same thing back here. Awesome. So we'll move on to the driver's door. So we've got that BOSE Performance Series stereo. We've got our power mirrors at the top, power folding mirrors, power windows, nice carbon fiber accent, power locks, electronic door release, and the front and rear trunk releases down there. So I'll show you the kick plate on the driver's side. So it's in pretty good shape, a few minor little marks, overall really good condition. And then we've got our power seat, power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. And again, I'll just go ahead and scan this seat for you so you can see the condition. Awesome. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean, and we'll get in, we'll fire this one up. right, so in terms of kilometers, we have 3,985, so nice and low, no warning lights or issues there on the dash. On this side here, we've got our Z performance button. We have our cruise control buttons here, favorites or track change down below. On this side here, we've got volume controls. These are our arrow keys which control the dash, so as you can see, we can go between trip, performance, audio, maintenance, options, and simplify. If you have a look here, we've got telephone, here I'll block it like so. So you've got telephone hang up, telephone answer, voice command, and heated steering wheel. And then over on this side, you've got your heads up display controls. So I'll show you here on this on the windscreen. We'll just focus on that. So you can change what information you display. You can change the brightness and the position. So that's very neat. So those controls are just right here beside the steering wheel. And then inside we've got power tilt and telescopic steering column. Down below you've got parking brake and dash dimmer switch. And then on this side here we've got our push button start. Here's your radio. So you got, we'll go home, we've got audio, AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming, USB auxiliary in, telephone controls. You've got navigation. So here's your full factory navigation. We've got Wi-Fi, users, settings, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The Apple CarPlay is wireless. You've got your cameras, so front curve view cameras, reverse camera, different view from the reverse camera, and different view from the front camera. So that's there. Here's your drive selector. And then in the front here, we've got traction control on and off, and we've got front lift and front cameras. So the front lift, when I press that, the front of the vehicle raises and it lets you know that it's doing that there on the screen. This is your mode selector, so we twist like so. You get different modes at the front. So there's sport mode, track mode, and then if we go back this way, we get touring, we get my mode, and we get weather. So that's all controlled with this guy here. Here's your heated and cooled seat for the driver, temperature for the driver, all your different climate control settings. Passenger heated and cooled seat and temperature settings are there. You get a cup holder. You got two keys in here. So they got lock, unlock, remote start, front and rear trunk release, and a panic, as well as a physical key that slides into the remote. There's your rear view mirror. There's your rear view mirror camera, OnStar. And then in here, we've got a USB-C, USB, auxiliary, SD card, and then we've got a wireless charger for your phone here. So that's great. So now we'll just hop out with it running. We'll have a look and listen. We'll put it into Z mode, open those exhaust ports, and here you go. Wow, what a machine. And I will show you here from the front with the lights on so you can see what they look like. So nice and bright. And we'll move along this side. What a great looking car. Awesome combo. Here it is from the back. Great sound to it. And there you have it, folks. 2021 Chevrolet Corvette 3LT Z51 with comp seats here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.